Good morning.
Morning.
From Scarlet Knob Campground in Ohiopyle, Pennsylvania. Did I get that right?
Ohiopyle.
Yeah, so...
Ohiopyle is, everything we've heard is probably one of the best, most scenic parts of the whole Gap ride.
Yeah.
So we had to come up with a plan, so we decided, let's come to Ohiopyle. Let's hang out for a few days. There's a river, there's waterfalls, things to do, so we can maybe see how our knee does in a couple days, and then maybe we will just do take the bikes out. I'll pull pistol,
yeah,
and you take nothing, and we just kind of ride part of the trail here in this area.
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna modify our trail. My knee is still giving me a little bit of issue, but I think I'm gonna try maybe tomorrow, get on the bike, and if I'm not pulling anything, I think it might work out. So he's gonna pull pistol, and we're just gonna maybe leapfrog from trailhead to trailhead.
Yeah, so
and
maybe
then,
we'll just, instead of just riding all the way through, we're gonna spend some time here, drive to the next trailhead, do some riding there.
Yeah.
And then maybe if all goes well and your knee's fine, I would love to find a place to park outside of Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Ride into Pittsburgh, have lunch, ride back to the van.
I really want to do that because
a modified version of the original plan.
You know, I mean, it's just like an injury. You can modify your exercise, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do. So no, we don't want to scrap the entire ride, but this is just what it's gonna be for now.
I think I'm taking today off though.
Yeah, we'll take today off. We kind of want to, this will actually give us time to explore more of the trail towns too, because a lot of times we're just like riding through and just seeing what's right on the trail. And Ohiopyle, everybody has told us to come here. Like it's
whitewater rafting. Apparently there's natural rock formation, water slides in the river, and
yeah, I see there's a lot of Frank Lloyd Wright homes around here. Now you do have to pre-buy tickets to do tours. They don't allow dogs. There's a lot going on with that, but I know his architecture is stunning. So we're right in the heart of all that here in Pennsylvania. So yeah, we spent the night here last night, and we're gonna head into town and kind of explore and see what that has to offer.
young lieutenant colonel on a mission, George Washington tried to navigate this powerful river on a hand-built wooden raft. He made it down the middle U, but bailed out before Ohiopyle Falls. Today's skilled stand-up paddleboarders navigate the rapids in their high-tech rafts.
Wow. Yep. That's impressive. I mean, I wouldn't want to go down there.
I would. Slow down, girl. My legs are heavy today.
Natural water slides here. I think Dave should go. Looks like this might be painful, this natural water slide. I don't know, there's a lot of rocks there. Time to fix the shoe.
Time to perform some shoe surgery.
Yeah.
That was kind of loose.
That, I'm gonna guess, was the problem. And then it got stuck in the wrong position. Gotta moose it back over.
Still good?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean, I'll let you know if it's not, because it'll start hurting. I'm gonna stop and check it too. He's now loosening the attachment so I don't have to, it's not clipped in as hard, so I don't have to twist my knee so much to get it in and out. I think that's a good idea. So we are at the Gap Trailhead here in Ohiopyle. The parking lot is busy, 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 busy. It just goes forever. The weather is phenomenal. So Dave, as you saw, fixed my shoe. We're going for a test run now. We don't know which direction we're headed for sure. We're just gonna go for a ride and see what we can find. Get in.
Get in.
You gotta get in. Good girl. On the trail in Ohiopyle. My knee actually feels good so far, but it's weird because Dave has pistol and I am empty. Feels good. This bridge is cool. We got rafters. Oh, that one boat is stuck. How far did we go?
11 miles.
11 miles. So we did out and back one way and then out and back another way just so we were close to the van. And on the parts where I was going uphill, I definitely noticed it in my knee because when we were going downhill, I thought, man, if we could find a place to park the van, hook everything up, we could go again. But once we started going uphill a bit, I knew I wouldn't be able to pull the trailer up a hill.
But it's better.
With the knee. It's definitely better, but I feel it a little bit, so we turned around and came back. But yeah, the problem is fixed. It just needs to heal up now. So
Yeah, some really short rides just to keep it loose.
yeah, the trail's fantastic. I love those trestles and bridges, and just so many trees, and we're right on the water. This is a beautiful spot on the trail for sure.
Busy on the weekend. It's like
Yeah.
this parking lot's packed. There's just rental electric bikes
Everywhere.
On the trail.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You'd come here. I'd come on the weekday, but
Yeah,
in the
I don't know
fall-
if it would make a difference, but
yeah, in the fall it'd be beautiful here.
yeah, I think we're about 2 weeks too early for the leaves, but yeah, either way, it's beautiful. So I saw there's a little laundromat nearby. We're just gonna leave the van here and haul our laundry over because we have a lot of dirty laundry. We've just been hand washing stuff. And then there was a little breakfast spot. We might grab something to eat before we move on out of here.
Let's head to the next trailhead.
Yeah, let's do it. For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
Carry
carry
on.
on.